Hartman Adventures at them, man. Yeah. Morning, good morning again. Family and friends. Yeah, man, we're out here again for another hunt this morning. See if we can pick up anything. Come out a little bit later this morning than usual, but yeah, still early. Still very early in the morning. Just 6:30, 6:44, you know. Just 6:44, so it's still early. Spot Uncle Bertie down the line. So I walk go down the spot in there and see if I can link up with him. It's a long time you guys not see Uncle Bertie for the channel, so see if we can link up today. The other day a couple of you guys are asking for him, so yeah, hopefully we can get some hookup today, man. So you guys just stay tuned. See if we can walk, go link up with him down the spot in there. Yeah, see from my boy, yeah. Hey boy, are they? Where are they? Yeah, you know who got the bar yet?
Because this is your wait time. I'm saying you wait for me to see two there, but they go chop off over there. So what's that? When we come and see two more there, I'm saying you know.
Hold for there, hold for there, over there.
I just made a statue.
Eh, hold for there, over there. Then the up the line out, then go.
You see them?
We have a stay from down your side there.
So I see them. I say they wait fire till they come out.
You have a bad bait, man. You have me one in my bag, you know?
Eh?
You have me bait in my bag, you know?
I don't know.
Yeah, see me next lure. You see, tune on grass not really up here so if you hit your hand, pan. Gone further down. Yeah. Piece of water and look bad, you know. In there look bad. Kinda a little bit silty though. Fish on, guys. First one for you, man. What kind of fish this? Low in drop, you know? Drop your frig. Oh man, in drop it. Oh, in bend the hook. Jaja. Look guys, middle hook straight north. That was a nice fish, you know? Nice fish that was. See if we can get my pliers and straighten this or fix it back. That was a very nice fish. Let me see if we can find something else in here. See a whole heap of bait jump in here, you know? So fish in here, follow them. Uncle Bertie walk, gone further down the line and gone around the corner. Some diver up that side there, but Uncle Bertie don't really like fishing where diver them there. So he walk gone further down the line. Where are they again? Come. Jaja. Those my first fish of the morning, guys. That was about my third, fourth throw. Nice early action in the morning, yeah. That wasn't bad, that felt good. So hopefully further in the idea we can, or not further in the idea, further in the morning, because I'm not stay out whole day. Hopefully we can get some more hookup in the morning, yeah. But yeah, that one that did feel nice. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. What do you guys think that was? What type of fish do you guys think that was? So I don't know. I didn't see the color. I only saw the tail splashing in the water, so not sure exactly what type of fish that was, but what do you guys think? It's probably a barracuda. Probably a barracuda. But I don't know. Usually when the barracuda them I grab the lure though, then kind of grab it like across the lure. A lot of times. Almost like them I try to bite it in a half. So usually when that happens, they get more than one hooks in a barracuda instead of just the one hook. So not really sure what type of fish that was. How far Uncle Bertie reach now? But my man walk very far, you know. Can't even see him. It's like he walk past hotel and gone. See him there, guys? Bert! Nice little barra. Touch him. Remember, like I tell you first one we get with. Alright, relax. Normally when you catch on barra, you usually get more than one hooks in them. See that? Usually you get more than one hook anytime you catch one barra, because then try to bite across the lure. Now keep him still. A nice eating size barra, but now keep him. Whoa, my shoes wet up. Alright, we just put him back in the water and try to get my pliers. Alright, walking back to my bag. We'll get my pliers. Huh? You tell us I see one barra over there catch bait, man. Huh? Now go let him go, so. That's why I keep him in the water. Pass my bag. You know, you know. One hook in my corner of my mouth and one hook in my lip. Pass my bag. Whew. Watch a permit you youth. You see a little permit, watch your permit.
Yeah, but I did some because I see permit there with me, sir.
One little one though. Watch him.
Him see man, see what they here, so we have come. Here run him around and look on that stone.
On that stone. Alright, me play. Hold it right. I know he's eating size in it, but me not keep him.
It's like when I fish them.
Yeah. See it's no hook in our eye? One in our lip and one in our jaw corner. You fat man. Oh, you put bait in here. Go on back. Nice size barra. But next year I can catch him in 10 pound, eh? Yeah.
So I find them piece of them bad, you know.
Go back up the sea, go see if I can find sitting up there. Uncle Bert, I go across the channel. I know how I rig my lure. Just have my leader line tie into a swivel like that, and then my swivel attached to a split ring at front of the lure. Why I do that is because with the why I add the swivel is because it reduces the line twist. So if the lure is spinning in the water, instead of the line a twist up, the swivel turn instead of the line. And quite a number of times, like I pull up to a spot and people will ask me why I use one quick release. I don't really fancy quick release for my bigger setup. I use a quick release for my lighter setup, but for the bigger setup, I really fancy the quick release. Why? It's just a personal preference.
This is so lucky, my friend. I'm sure you this is lucky. That's the first fish out there. Blue roller like a nothing.
You're out there and sip it.
Not really sip it. Look here. What's that? Look
Clear up your lure.
Look.
Yeah man, I see you clear up your lure this man.
Hey friend, where you go?
No, I did what? I come across over there.
They don't come here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to change him.
You have to carry a lure, you have to carry different, you have to carry a lure sitting in.
My friend, take out them, my friend.